You can also do the pull-out method, but we already know that don't work at all. We all adults. That don't really work really well. You know, you could be real smooth with that, but come on, man, you're gonna get yourself in trouble. So the pull-out method, you know, that's another method that you can use. And then they have herbs that can also affect you and helping you with when it comes down to preventing pregnancy. So I'm gonna give you an herb. There's an herb out there called pawpaw. You can use pawpaw seed. This is for men. Pawpaw seed, if men using extracts of pawpaw seed, it actually reduces the fertility of a man after about 3 months of using pawpaw. Okay? So there's an herb out there called pawpaw seed. Of using it for 3 months, it actually makes a man like a little sterile, you know? But once you get off of it, this is the beauty of nature, you go back to normal. Okay? So of 3 months of taking pawpaw, they found that a man could become sterile, but it does not negatively impact his testosterone level, anything like that. It does not negatively impact his prostate and all those things like that. But pawpaw seed, and after about a couple of days off of it, about 2 weeks off of it, you come back to being fertile. Okay? So pawpaw, another good one. They say castor oil seed is also really good. Ingesting castor oil seed can also help you. I don't know about that. I'm not a big fan of that one. Neem oil. Neem oil. Ingesting neem, the herb, can make a man less fertile. It actually affects your sperm count. And a woman who takes neem oil and use that as a lubrication, neem oil can deactivate a man's sperm. Neem oil can deactivate a man's sperm. So if a woman uses during the time of you are having sex and you want to use some neem oil can help deactivate sperm, okay? So neem oil is extremely effective. It's probably one of the safest, easiest ways to do that. Neem oil, as well as the man ingesting the neem himself, can actually, after about 6 weeks of ingesting neem, it can make a major difference in actually your fertilization for a man. And neem oil can actually make an effect almost like instantly if you were having sex. Now, I don't know if you want to use neem oil. Have you ever smelled neem oil? I've used neem oil on my face. Like, it's an excellent moisturizer. So let me give you some background on neem. Neem is an excellent herb. It's excellent for cleaning your blood. Really good for getting rid of parasites. Excellent for acne. Excellent for acne. Really good for dealing with dandruff. Anybody who deals with eczema, dandruff, anything like that, neem is one of the best. If you drink the tea, you take the herb. I actually, for a long period of time, I haven't done it in about a month or so. Every week I used to make a neem mask. So every Sunday, scrub my face. I used to put neem, the fresh herb, make it like a paste, put it on my face. Oh, man, it makes your skin look so healthy and young. And it's really good for your skin. But I put the neem oil on my face. Whoa! It is funky. It's like you put burnt sesame oil on your face. I can't describe it. I wore it one time at work. I was like, oh my God, it's such a funky smell. I can't stand the smell of it. So I don't know if you want to necessarily put neem in your private areas and things like that. I don't think it would be the best thing, the neem oil. Personally, as far as the smell and everything else, I wasn't a big fan of it. I'm not a big fan of it. So neem oil. And then another good herb is alligator pepper. Alligator pepper, this is an African herb called alligator pepper. It's another one that can be used as a natural contraceptive. And alligator pepper, men drinking alligator pepper. If you notice, everything I've been talking about is really on the man side. This is really on the man side. So there's a lot of things that men can do to actually help prevent pregnancy and things like that. So alligator pepper is another good herb that can also help. And if you wanted a natural plan B. You know, let's say if it's a night in which y'all having a good time and things were, you know, you ain't think about it and you forgot and you with your significant other and you say, well, you know what? We messed up. I think we should do something about this. You could take a herb called pennyroyal. Pennyroyal. You could drink pennyroyal 2 to 3 times a day, and usually it will induce menstruation. Okay? Induce menstruation. Pennyroyal. Now, it does not necessarily mean it's going to happen, But pennyroyal can induce menstruation to help you if you and your significant other were having fun and you didn't use your name or he wasn't taking